So guys, welcome back to this episode of Texas E36 Garage. We're gonna start this video off with we're gonna jump over to the... It's a lie! It's all a lie! We're actually leaving! Team 5-star picnic today. So, she's right. I forgot to do an intro to this video. So we're doing the intro after we were just at the meet.
Do you see how red he turns?
So, what you guys are gonna see after this is the Team 5-star meetup over here at Bear Creek Park. Team Apocalypse is meeting up, and so we're gonna hang out with the team and see some cars. So, let's get to it, guys.
Technically ready to.
Keen's car out here, looking fresh as always. Love all the carbon bits. I love this right here. That's what I want to do. Some sort of on mine, but we'll get to that point. Is that Alex? Yeah, it is. It's pretty cool. Alex Fuentes. Super clean E36, guys. We saw him at the pre-meet a couple videos ago, guys, for Week Fest. Super clean, reminds me of my white one, but this was way cleaner than my white one. But very nice example. I like it. Got Stevie's Del Sol. Beautiful Supra. Mark's car. Yes, Marissa, we know you want a truck. We know.